Welcome to Coastal Georgia Roof Cleaning, where we revolutionize the maintenance of your property's most crucial element. Nestled in Savannah, Georgia, our expert cleaners utilize modern equipment and eco-friendly solutions, ensuring a gentle yet thorough removal of dirt, moss, algae, pollen, and debris from your roof. Living in Savannah brings the allure of a warm, humid climate, but it also brings challenges to roof health. Our roof cleaning service is not just about cosmetic appeal. It's about ensuring the longevity of your roof in the face of environmental and biological stressors. Our high-pressure washing technique efficiently removes stains, ingrained dirt, and biological materials from metal roofing, providing a revitalizing clean. Before embarking on the cleaning process, we conduct a detailed roof inspection, tailoring our approach to different roofing materials. Our experienced roof cleaning technicians, armed with state-of-the-art equipment, guarantee your satisfaction. We offer a 1-year guarantee on all our roof cleanings, showcasing our dedication to customer happiness. Enhancing the curb appeal of residential homes in Savannah and beyond, our roof cleaning services contribute to the revitalization of your property. Whether you're a homeowner seeking a fresh look or a commercial property owner aiming for a professional appearance, Coastal Georgia Roof Cleaning has you covered. Our transparent and easy-to-understand pricing, along with free roof cleaning quotes for Savannah clients, ensures that you receive the best value for superior results. Roof cleaning is a regular part of home maintenance, recommended at least once a year, and our process is safe for plants and landscaping. Let Coastal Georgia Roof Cleaning redefine your property's cleanliness and charm. Call us today at 912-312-5513 for a cleaner, well-maintained roof tomorrow.